If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Slip them girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the phone, just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face I hear the voice, so you don't know say a kogency. But the kogency rocks, shut them. And today we have OFB double L's with by Felicia. We haven't done much OFB on the channel in a while. Don't remember the last OFB that we did, but we have some OFB today and we have the BOMBOCLAAT for the after this. So, you know what I'm saying, we have to do the duo, but in single reviews. I don't want to waste any time. We just hit 2K yesterday, so thanks to everybody who subscribed. If you don't subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and jump in those comments because I reply and I like all the comments. You know what I'm saying? So, road to 3K now, boys. Help me out, man. Help me out. We're trying to grow. We're taking it step by step. We just hit 2K yesterday, so we don't want to go too far and say, say 5K. No, let's just go for 3K now. You know what I'm saying? So, road to 3K, I think we're at like 2011 now. So, you know what I'm saying? 11, yeah. We're 11 less that we need to get to 3K. You know what I'm saying? So please hit subscribe, jump in the comments, and like. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to grow. But you don't know. OFB double L's by Felicia. I just watched Friday. So, you know what I'm saying? By Felicia, that's still stuck in my head. So I just want to jump in at this. I'm not wasting time. Even though I wasted a lot of time talking. But let's go. All my trigger that with you niggas in the comments, I see you. Oh, oh wait, oh no way. Spliff it, Ray and nephew. I forgot for my Ray and nephew. Easy there, easy there. I go for it, I go for it. If I don't edit this video and you saw all of that, I'm so sorry. But I'm not really sorry, so let's go.
I just got top from a tip mamacita. She just got dick from a lip drug dealer.
Ooh.
My teacher said I'm an idiot. Now I got way more racks than my teacher.
Oh, but forget to double L's cut him here too as well though. It's kind of not weird, but you know, I'm not used to it yet though.
She just got dick from a lip drug dealer. My teacher said I'm an idiot. Now I got way more racks than my teacher. So
oh.
should have been a bit real. I told my ex team you'll see it.
A double L's father that.
You know I shoot first, I don't ask no questions. From my bro got locked for possession, now I got locked for a wedding. Cause the op got dropped on your block, you're forgetting. So my Rambo round of aggression. Right now I'm feeling high as your brethren. That shit, make it go to your melon.
Fam, the song just started, bro. We can't have this about a rude this already, fam. Start to.
Said I'm an idiot. Now I got way more racks than my teacher. Silly little bitch should have been a bit real. I told my ex.
Oh, that's it. Ray and Neff.
You know I shoot first, I don't ask no questions. From my bro got locked for possession, now I got locked for a wedding. Cause the op got dropped on your block, you're forgetting. So my Rambo round of aggression. Right now I'm feeling high as your brethren. That shit, make it go to your melon. Violate by 6, get smoked by 7. We had the dot, made your block hot. Bro popped off, made your block get locked off. Try to open above like a drop top. Might send a man down like the sun drop. When we circle around, it gets on tops. Got a circle and circle on tops. Don't come to my block with no one pop. Jump off, you're gonna hit 6 when we dump off. Bro got the drop, come
circle on tops. Yeah, man. If you know what I mean by on tops, yeah, you know.
By 7. We had the dot, made your block hot. Popped off, made your block get locked off. Try open above like a drop top. Might send a man down like the sun drop. When we circle around, it gets on tops. Got a circle and circle on tops. Don't come to my block with no one pop. Jump off, you're gonna hit 6 when we dump off. Bro got the drop, come you go, let's slide. Like which man's driving and which man's sighting and which man's knifing and which man's firing and which man's hiding and which man's dying. Sink my ship if I try capsizing. Or I might baptize him. Make a pum pum wet like my diamonds, yeah. Make a give phone 6 to my lifers. I just got top from a tip mamacita. She just got dick from a lip drug
dealer.
My teacher said I'm an idiot. Now I got way
more racks than my teacher.
Should have been a bit real. I told my ex thing you'll see a Felicia. Jump at the V-class, please don't be lost. Shush got bored cause he freezed up. I just got
nah. That's the hook. See a Felicia, that part? Yeah, man. I have to hear all of that again. All of that.
My ship if I try capsizing.
Oh no, go back, bro. Go back, man.
Gonna hit 6 when we dump off. Bro got the drop, come you go, let's slide. Like which man's driving and which man's riding and which man's knifing and which man's hiding and which man's hiding and which man's laughing. Sink my ship.
Like I'm saying, how do you not have energy when you listen to this, bro? I wish man iron, I wish man iron, I wish man iron. Like what, fam?
My block we don't one pop, jump off. You're gonna hit 6 when we dump off. Bro, got the drop, can we go? Let's slide like which man's driving and
Which man's side and which man's side and which man's side and which man's side and which man's side and
sink my ship if I try capsizing, or I might baptize him. Make a pum pum wet like my diamonds, yeah. Make a give phone sex to my lifers. I just got top from a tip, mama.
Man said make her give phone sex to my lifers. Wow, that's a real bar. I know that's a real bar.
Make a pum pum wet like my diamonds, yeah. Make a give phone sex to my lifers. I just got top from a tip, mama Sita. She just got dick from a lit drug dealer. My teacher said I'm an idiot. Now I got way more rats than my teacher. Should have been a bit realer. I told my ex-ting, you'll see a Felicia. Jump at the V-class, please don't be lost. Just got bored cause he freezed up. I just got top from a tip, mama Sita. She just got dick from a lit drug dealer. My teacher said I'm an idiot. Now I got way more rats than my teacher. Silly little bitch, should have been a bit realer. I told my ex-ting, you'll see a Felicia. Jump at the V-class, please don't be lost. Just got bored cause he freezed up.
Okay, so the tick mama Sita part, that's the hook. Okay, but you see the part that I pull up? Hey man, but too much flows, dog. Everything could have been a hook in this.
If I mention all of my jewels, I could write me a book like J.K. Rowling. Up in the ding dong, rubbing up shoulders. Corn gone spread on your block like COVID. You know this, bro. Try
spread on your block like COVID, man.
rolling. Up in the ding dong, rubbing up shoulders. Corn gone spread on your block like COVID. You know this, bro. Try smoke him. He tried leave a black youth folded. My ex-dotties, spinners and pokers. I was that young, but ducking down orders. We copy, we chop it, we pop it, we lock it, we plug 3 holes like a socket. Bro got balls, just a blick in his pocket. Jump on the ride, but they're sick of these rockets.
Dog, hell no, fam. I have to hear that again. Say that again.
My ex-dotties, spinners and pokers.
What is this?
But ducking down orders. We copy, we chop it, we pop it, we lock it, we plug 3 holes like a socket. Bro got balls, just a blick in his pocket.
What? Fam, right now, I want to mash up something, bro. I swear to you. I'm going to mash up something.
Smoke him. He tried leave a black youth folded. My ex-dotties, spinners and pokers. I was that young, but ducking down orders. We copy, we chop it, we pop it, we lock it, we plug 3 holes like a socket. Bro got balls, just a blick in his pocket. Jump on the ride, but they're sick of these rockets. Talk on the net, man, I'm sick of these comments. Check the Gazette, cause these niggas be on it. These niggas ain't on it. Now let's be honest, these sticks get popping and these niggas be dropping. Bro got the drop, come you go, let's fly like which man's driving and which man's sighting and which man's knifing and which man's firing and which man's hiding and which man's dying. Sink my ship if I try capsizing, or I might baptize him. Make a pum pum wet like my diamonds, yeah, make a give phone sex to my lifers. I just got top from a tip, mama Sita. She just got dick from a lit drug dealer. My teacher said I'm an idiot. Right to my teacher. Should have been a bit realer. I told my ex-ting, you'll see a Felicia. Jump on the V-class, please don't be lost. Just got bored cause he freezed up. I just got top from a tip, mama Sita. She just got dick from a lit drug dealer. My teacher said I'm
see dog, you can tell so the farm block full of yard man. Beer, rice and peas and chicken, yeah, see dog. You understand? Either yard man or African man fam. Beer, rice and chicken, man. I want to you, man. Rice and peas and chicken. I want to that.
Realer, I told my ex-ting, you'll see a Felicia. Jump at the V-class, please don't be lost. Just got bored cause he freezed up. I just got top from a tip, mama Sita. She just got dick from a lit drug dealer. My teacher said I'm an idiot. Now I got way more rats than my teacher. Silly little bitch, should have been a bit realer. I told my ex-ting, you'll see a Felicia. Jump at the V-class, please don't be lost. Just got bored cause he freezed up.
Aye. Boss, you're gonna suck your mum. You know what time it is. Oh way or no way.
But else, alright. What if I don't have a gun, bro? Suppose I don't have a gun. So automatically I just have to go. Alright, bro. Alright, say no more, fam. Man said, boss your gun or suck your mom. Bro, I don't have a gun, bro. I don't have a gun. So I guess double L's don't rate me. I'm sorry, dog.
Jump at the V-class, please don't be lost. Just got bored cause he freezed up.
Aye. Boss, you're gonna suck your mum. You know what time it is. Oh way or no way.
Bro, when I see the man jump out of the vehicle, I swear say him that gonna shoot me for real, you know? Bro, when I saw him hop out that car, I thought he was gonna shoot me for real. Oh, me? You trying to shoot me? Dickhead. Anyways, man, not else. No. You know what I'm saying? But yo, double L's by Felicia. This beat and the flows that, bro, double L's been flowing from like 2020 till now, you know, dog. Like 2020 August till now, double L's just been flowing for me, you understand? So, big up double L's. I'm not even going to rate this. Let me know what you rate it in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you think about it, what you rate it, if you rate it, and you don't know where you want me to react to next. Road to 3K, we just hit 2K yesterday, so hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and jump in the comments because I reply and I like all the comments, you know what I'm saying? And also, to anybody that wants to add any additional help to the channel, I'm going to leave my Cash App in the description. So, you know what I'm saying? If you ever feel like you want to help out Tricks, you know what I'm saying? Just help out Tricks. You don't have to if you don't want to, you know what I'm saying? But you don't know. Kogency and the Kogency Rocks channel. I want this motherfucker, man. Yes. Yeah, Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.